Vision, DJ sir teaches me, and I'm feeling happy for not having wasted this 1 month at home and playing and valuing away my time, but instead having come here, studied under him and improved my concepts in physics. DJ sir actually has the very capacity of communication of his art of physics to his students that's not normally with the other teachers. Also, he has his own huge library of physics books, his own profound knowledge that he gives to his students through concise theory, through examples and everything. And he's built my concepts from practically nothing to practically everything in a very short span of time. Normally, like the crash courses are normally, mugging up definitions and theories and all that, but he has not done that in such a way so as the thing goes to your heart directly. And one thing I like about him, he doesn't classify doubts as being silly and not silly. Everything to him, a doubt is a conceptual error that has to be cleared up one way or the other, and he has a profound knowledge of physics that does allow him to do that with success. And I'm happy at being here, and my physics has greatly improved in this time. I'm Ronak, studying in Kota under DJ sir for IIT Carrier Vision, and I'm Ronak, studying under DJ sir in IIT JEE Physics Center. I feel happy for not having gone home and whiled away my time playing and wasting it. Instead, having come here and studied physics under DJ sir, I seriously feel happy for having come here. He has got the art of communicating his profound knowledge of physics to his students through exhaustive theory, examples, concepts. And the one thing about him that's very good I feel about it is that he doesn't classify doubts as silly and not silly. For him a doubt is a conceptual error that has to be cleared one way or the other, and he does that very good, in a very nice way. And also I'd advise the IIT aspirants in case of physics to just come here and try him out. You won't be dissatisfied, trust me.
My name is Pulkit Tandon, and I'm studying at DJ IIT Center for Physics. To be very specific, when I come over here, to be very frank, when I came over here, I came up with very meagre expectations of just covering the basic level of physics. But seriously, when I came over here, I was too much fantasized by the level of the physics which I got over here. It was excellent. The fun that physics has, it was all there. The physics is all about fun you have. So also the time bound which was there, DJ sir put it across. Generally crash courses are about mugging up the concepts, but here there was no mugging up. Rather, the concepts were cleared from the very grassroots level to the even higher levels. So it was like a very exceptional experience for me, and I would advise all the students studying over here in Kota to not to waste their 1 month by going over home, but by coming over here and studying physics in DJ IIT Center. Year-long course, these same facilities are available, so I would like you to join the year-long course too. It would be very helpful for you.
I study physics under the guidance of the DJ sir. I am very grateful to him for giving his intense knowledge of physics and imparting it to all the students in a very handsome manner. And he takes care of each and every student who study under the guidance of him, and he should improve, who want to improve his physics should study under the guidance of him, as he deal with every kind of problem that every student should. I'm very satisfied from the kind of teaching that he provided to me, and I seriously advise to all the students that they can join fearlessly to the course of the year-long classroom and also any other courses that DS has organized, and they will be fully satisfied with him. I am also very satisfied with the kind of teaching that he provides to me.
Being at the DJ IIT Center for Physics for the summer-long course, DJ sir is an inexhaustive source of knowledge, and the way he provides this knowledge to the students is really amazing. And the thing in the summer course is that there is a very limited time, and he completed all the course of 12th standard IIT JEE and even some parts of the 11th standard in the time duration. It was just amazing. And the best thing I got here was the confidence that yes, I can do physics, and I got the confidence that yes, I can solve any problem that I may face in my journey towards IIT JEE. And even when you come for summer course, you know that you have not wasted your 1 month, and you are touch above every other student who hasn't turned up for this course. So I especially advise every serious aspirant of IIT JEE to turn up for this course. And
Hi, I'm Saurabh Sanyal, studying at DJ IIT Physics Center. The first thing about it is that the decision that I took of joining summer course was very helpful for me. Frankly, I did not do a wrong decision about it because the time that I spent here, I learnt a lot of physics, and I enjoyed a lot. Sir has put all his hard efforts on me, and especially the DBPs that he makes is fantastic, and it covers all the concepts that he teaches in the class. The theory and the exhaustive questions that he gives to us helps us in understanding the concepts of each and every chapter. He has almost covered everything of 12th and has also given us valuable time for doubt classes and other things. And this 1 month has been a great experience for me. And I would like to suggest all the IITian students that are preparing for IIT to join DJ class and get the benefit of this class.
And I have joined the summer course at DJ IIT Physics Center. And first of all, the decision which I took of joining this summer course has been very fruitful, and I have learned many new things. I was thinking of going home and enjoying the summer vacation, but some of my friends advised me to join physics at DJ Sir, and I came here. And actually we don't expect many things in the summer course because it's just a span of 1 month, and whatever we are going to learn in 9 months, that he covers in 1 month very effectively. There are two things about physics. First is the quality of the questions, and then the quantity. As the time is too short, we can't expect more quantity. But then also the way he has selected the questions for us, and he has made the DPPs and the material, it has been very appreciable. As some of the teachers, they directly tell us the books and tell us to
IIT Physics, IIT Physics Center, and study under him for either a longer year course or the summer course. He'll be greatly benefited, trust me.
It's excellent time usage for your 1 month, so I would advise all the JEE scholars to come up over here and use their 1 month.
DJ sir is the best. Come up and see for yourself.
The hardworking sir who has done a lot for Kota will do a lot for you also. Join DJ class.
You will not be dissatisfied with your decision to come here. I advise everyone to come here and join DJ Sir and take valuable guidance from him.
It is an excellent junction to select that in IIT.
It's a good platform for everyone to be selected in IIT.
DJ Sir is best. I advise all the students of IIT JEE to join this summer course or a long year course.
By joining this course, I can qualify and JEE 2012 very easily and with confidently. So I advise all the people to join this class. All students who are preparing for IIT JEE to join this class. You will remember this time for your life that you spend these times very you have utilized your time
made by the DJ sir, and he sincerely guide us, and I tell all the students to come DJ sir and join and successfully get